Hey everyone, just a super quick new node in here. This is a search and replace tool. So you can bring this in and you can give it a bunch of text, do a search pattern replacement, and get some output. So I could say like, hey, this is some text. Oops, I love it. Capybara is awesome. Capybara, for example. And then it will show me the output of the text right there. I can then say, let's do a search pattern, look for capybara and replace it with watermelon. As I'm typing, it actually replaces right here. And we have a couple options. So you can see, hey, there's some text. I love it. Watermelon is awesome. Capybara. If I open up the options, you will notice that case sensitive is true. If I turn that off, and take a look. You can see it now replaced it with watermelon and watermelon. We can also turn on regex if we want to use that, or replace all. If we turn that off, you will notice it just replaces the watermelon. So the nice thing is all of these are kind of interactive as you use them, which is pretty handy. And there's full-on documentation with regex examples and stuff like that. But just a very quick, handy new node.